Right, okay, another country music for you coming up. Ito, ang title nito, Long Black Train. Alright. Hi, Rai, shout out. Ayan, thank you for following me. ID number, shout out. Alright, Long Black Train. Ito, may pagka-gospel ng konti, pero alam ko, kakaiba sa pantunog nyo to. Another country music, Long Black Train. There's a long black train coming down the line, feeding all the souls that are lost in crime. Rails obscene, only people remains. Watch out, brother, for the long black train. Woo, yes. Look to the heavens, you can look up to the sky. Can find redemption staring back into your eyes. There is protection and excuses to say. Burning your ticket for the long black train. 'Cause there was victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. Clinging to the Father and His only name. And don't go riding all along that train. There's an engineer on the long that train, making you wonder if the rider's for the pay. He's just waiting on your heart to say, let me ride on along that train. But you know there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord. Clinging to the Father and His holy name. Don't go riding on along that train. Long Black Train, another Josh Turner song. Welcome to Mixly Cover Songs for you. Country music po tayo ngayong hapon. Alright, Long Black Train by Josh Turner. Well, I can hear a whistle from a mile away. It sounds so good, but I must stay away. The train is a beauty, making everybody stare. But its only destination is a bit along the way. But you know there's victory in the Lord, I say. Victory in the Lord, clinging to the Father and His only name. Don't go riding on along that train. I said cling to the Father and His only name, and don't go riding on along that train. Watch out, brother, for the long black train. The devil's driving on the long black train. Alright, that's a lovely, medyo may pag-gospel ng konti. That's a long black train because the devil is driving that long black train.